Okay, so let's look at one last one with domain and range and equation. This time, if I'm looking at this function, again, I'm trying to find my domain, I'm trying to find my range, so I'm trying to see what can I put into this function. And it's function of x, and I kind of have two things happening to this x. I have it inside a radical, so inside a square root. I also have it on the bottom of a fraction, so I'm going to have to take both of those things into account when seeing what I can input and seeing what I can output. So domain. Could I put a negative inside a radical? We're going to start with inside the radical first. And I can't. So a negative can't be inputted inside a radical, so I'm going to take that out of my ideas of what could be in this domain. What about 0? Can I put 0 inside a radical? Sure, I can take square root of 0. I get 0. That works. But it's also underneath this fraction. Can I have 1 over 0? No, I can't. So this comes out. What about positives? Can I take square root of a positive number? Sure. Can I have a positive number in this fraction, 1 over something? Sure. So my input has to be, this input thing has to be not negatives, not 0, only positives. So my input thing has to be greater than 0. Greater than 0 would be positives, not equal to it, just this. Solve this and subtract 3 from both sides. X is greater than negative 3. Can write that in notation. So negative 3 to infinity. Okay, got my domain. Let's look at my range. Again, negative, 0, positive. Trying to see what can I get out of this function. Again, my function is this 1 over this square root. So I'm going to see what I can get out of this function. So could I get a negative out of a square root? Can't. We already talked about that. So my negative again is out. Can I get 0 out of a square root? And I can. But could I get 0 out of 1 over the square root? And I can't. Again, we talked about that with fractions. The only way to get 0 out of a fraction is if I have 0 in the top. So I can't get 0 out of this. Could I get positives out of this? Sure. I can get positives out of a square root. I can get positives out of 1 over something. So I can definitely get positives out of this. So this entire little function thing here has to be greater than 0. It's 0 and above, but it doesn't equal 0 this time. Okay, to this little function thing, I'm subtracting 4. So instead of being greater than 0, I'm going to say it's greater than negative 4. Again, I can write that in function notation, negative 4 to infinity. Alright, so that one was a little hard. Hopefully it went okay.